In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a dashboard in Smartsheet. If you've built a dashboard you love and want to reuse its layout, colors, and widgets without changing the original, duplicating it is the fastest, safest way to go. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few simple tips so you feel confident every time. Start by opening Smartsheet and navigating to the dashboard you want to copy. Make sure you're looking at the dashboard itself, not a sheet or report it references. This helps you confirm you're in the right place before you create a new version. Next, look to the upper left corner of the dashboard and click the File button. This is your home base for actions like saving and exporting. From that menu, choose Save as New. The moment you do, Smartsheet prepares a brand new dashboard item based on the one you're viewing, leaving the original exactly as it is. Think of it as creating a separate twin. It looks and feels the same, but it lives on its own so you can edit freely. You'll be prompted to name your new dashboard. Give it a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. A helpful approach is to include a purpose or date, such as Sales Overview, Q3 Copy, or Project Health, Template Duplicate. Good naming keeps your folders tidy and prevents confusion when you're working with multiple versions. Now, choose where you want to save your new file. You can store it in a personal folder or in a shared workspace, depending on your needs. Pick the location where your team expects to find it, and make sure you have the right permissions to save in that spot. If you're organizing by department, project, or time period, select the matching folder to keep everything consistent. When you're happy with the name and destination, click Save. That's it. The duplication is complete. Your new dashboard appears as its own item, ready for edits and customization, while the original remains unchanged. This is especially useful when you want to iterate on a design or create a template you can reuse across teams or timeframes. One quick tip as you get started with your copy: the duplicated dashboard will typically reference the same underlying sheets and reports as the original. If your intention is to visualize different data later, plan to update the widget settings in your new dashboard so they point to the right sources. And there you go. You've successfully duplicated a dashboard in Smartsheet, named it clearly, placed it in the right location, and preserved your original work.